When most of you think about taking a cruise, I know what you're thinking, going out on a large ocean. But there are a number of great, incredible, and very interesting itineraries that take place on lakes and rivers, and believe me, they'll surprise you. After years of showing travelers Europe's great rivers, Viking River Cruises recently moved on to China and built 2 luxury sister ships. And they'll take you from Shanghai to the mountaintop Buddhist temples of Mount Jihua, to the ancient terracotta warriors of Xi'an. Along the way, you'll not only get a behind-the-scenes look at the immense Three Gorges Dam, but you'll also cruise through the canyons and sheer cliffs of the lesser Three Gorges. Then there are the fjords of Greenland. They go on for miles and miles, longer than many rivers. Here you can sail aboard the Evik, based in Nuuk, Greenland's capital. On this cruise, you're looking for whales and glaciers. Icebergs are just about everywhere. The ice you see, 50,000 years old. Settlements, many of them now abandoned, also dot the shore. This small town of Kanyak dates back to the 1700s. It used to be a thriving fishing village. A 4-hour voyage on these frigid but unspoiled waters costs just $100. This is not a cruise. It's actually more of a float. You enjoy a lazy afternoon rafting trip down Jamaica's Rio Grande River as your guide and oarsman does all the work. It's called the Rio Grande Experience, and for several hours you'll glide on bamboo rafts. The rafts were originally used to transport bananas and sugarcane, but then movie star Errol Flynn thought it would be fun to just go down the river Jamaica style. And on that cruise, it's almost mandatory to have a beer in your hand as you go down the river, and repeat after me, "Ya man."